भूख में तड़पते हैं, वो भूख का है, जो भूख में भूख लगता है, उसकी भूख कराना ये तुम्हारे धर्म।
Krishna is telling the Brahmanis that you come here to feed us who are hungry. It's like Gurudev used to say, someone comes into your house or here, you should always offer them some prasadam. So like that, similarly, Krishna is saying,
और हम लोग के भजन कराने के लिए आए, इसलिए आप लोग भजन करके अपने गृह में
to first bhajan, now you given us the bhajan, so now you go back to your household.
क्योंकि अपने प्रिय की सेवा ही शास्त्र में शिक्षा कहा गया।
Even it says, the Shastra says, you have to serve your household, your husband, your family, your children, your son.
ये सब हमारे क्या है?
What is that? They are very beloved of us. They are dear to us.
प्रियजन की सेवा करना ही।
So you have to serve. In the Shastra says that you should love your dear ones. That's your dharma, according to Shastra.
विष्णु आराधते पंथा नन्नम तत्व सुकारण।
In the Shastra it says, how will Bhagwan Sri Hari be pleased? Who are following the Varna Ashram, they are following rules and regulations. So Varna Ashram says, first you have to serve your mother, father, your brother. Then Bhagwan will be pleased with you. Bhagwan is also wants you to be happy, that you should follow your sansar, your sansar life. So whoever respects you, then you should respect them. You have to pay respects. Yeah. So Krishna is saying, hey Brahmini, you return back to your house and go and serve your husbands.
और विशेष करके आप लोगों के पति लोग जो है जग्गा आदि कर रहे हैं।
And your husbands are doing the fire sacrifice. They are doing yagna, so you should go and help them. And you are here. You are here because maybe Purnahati's time is there, and so now you return back and help them for Purnahati, the offering. Without the wife, husband cannot do Purnahati. Like similarly with the example of Ramchandra, when Ramchandra had to he wanted to do yagna, so he said, the Rishi said, no, you cannot do yagna. In yagna, Purnahati time, you need your wife, especially because you are married. So he says, Sita, so you tell Sita to come back. So Ram said, no, that's not possible. So then Rishi said that, okay, get married. So Ramchandra said, no, that's not also possible. So I cannot marry another wife. I cannot have another wife because I have promised that I will only have one wife. So Vishis Rishi said, Ram, then you cannot do yagna. Ramchandra said, hey Gurudev, then show me any other way. Is there any other way? Is there any way we can do yagna still without Sita Devi? So you tell me, yagna to I have to do. So Rishi says, so they did a murti of Sita Devi. So they and then decorate her, that murti, like installation. Vigraha Stapan means installation of the murti.
मंत्र वेद मंत्र आदि
like
के
you do
द्वारा
Ved mantra.
विग्रह के क्या किया जाता है, उसके सजीवत्व कराया जाता है।
You decorate
विग्रह स्थापन कराया
with
जाता है।
and you install the vigra.
विग्रह स्थापन करो। तो अनंतर में भगवान रामचंद्र ने
Bhagwan
सीता की
Ramchandra
स्वर्ण मूर्ति बनाया,
made a murti of Sita Devi.
स्थापना की।
Then they did installation, vigra
और
stapan
इसके पश्चात
and installation.
रामचंद्र ने
And then after that Ramchandra Ayuthi.
वही स्वर्ण मूर्ति के बाएं की तरफ रख करके
Is- I thought, you know, like offering Swaha. And so they put the murti next to Ram, and then they did the fire sacrifice, and Ram was just doing Swaha offering.
लेकर के स्वाहा सुनाता है। 11,000 साल तक भगवान रामचंद्र ने
So you know how many he did? 11,000 साल he did yagna.
वही विग्रह नहीं खाते हैं। आज विधि के अनुसार
That Vidhi,
जब पूर्ण होता है विग्रह
when the Purna Hota, you know, when the offering's done, then also
ये भी दिखाया गया।
that
विसर्जन समझते हैं?
no,
विग्रह तो
Vigraha also.
पानी में डाल।
Then also that Vigraha was put in the water.
और भगवान रामचंद्र उनके कार्य जाओ।
And then Ramchandra said, in Dwapar Yuga,
कृष्ण करके आऊंगा। और
when I come as Krishna
अपने
and all these murtis, he said, I will accept you as my beloved. That Ramchandra, this Sita is, in that Sita Devi, she came as, she took a birth in the gopis, from a gopi's womb, as gopis.
कथा प्रसंग किस लिए गा रहे हैं? जिस समय कृष्ण भी कहने लगे आप
Then
लोग
it's Krishna is telling
जगतस्थल में लोग करके जाए
that
और अपने
you return very quickly back to your husbands, because they are doing yagna and they have to do purnahati,
जिनको अपने पति की
and
ना
without a wife
वो ब्राह्मण लोग
the Brahmins cannot do purnahati.
स्वयं भगवान भी ये भी कहने लगे
The
हे
Bhagwan
ब्राह्मणगण,
said, hey
यदि
Brahman,
आप ये सोचे
if you
कि हम लोग
think
तो पति अथवा गुरुजन आदि के आदेश को उल्लंघन कर नहीं मान करके
if we don't listen to our husbands, we didn't listen to them, you know, and we didn't ask them for permission to come and see you. So if we go back, the husbands and the families, you know, relatives will not accept us. So if we return back to our husbands, the husbands will say, wherever you went without our permission, and so now you go back where you went. The Brahmins are doing Devi pujas, and you know, they don't have any vishwas, they don't have any trust, faith in Krishna. So the Brahmins will tell her, okay, you went to a cow herd boy, now go back to that cow herd boy. Wherever you came from, wherever you went, go back. So here Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying that your husbands, that he's saying that your husbands will not accept you back, and what will we do? What will we do? So the Bhagwan is saying, hey Brahminis, I am residing as Paramatma in everybody's heart. Whatever intelligence I give them, that's how they think. In Gita, Bhagwan is saying, Gita slok is, I am the one who gives intelligence. So that's why Bhagwan is saying, hey Brahmini, don't worry. You don't worry that your husband will not accept you. You go back. I am a Paramatma.
तुम्हारे पति के हृदय में नहीं
I
है।
am as Paramatma in your husband's heart.
मैं तुम्हारे पति के हृदय
I
में
will,
प्रेरणा दूंगा, तुम्हें
I
विस्तार
will,
करूंगा।
I will make that Purna, like I will make the husbands think
इसलिए
in
आप लोग
the intelligence to
मेरे
accept
प्रति
you.
विश्वास रखते थे,
So,
आप लोग लौट करके जा
so you trust me and you go back. That your husbands will accept you.
श्री भगवान उवाच पतिर्नभस्वेन पितृभातृस्तादय लोकश्च भूम मयोतीता देवा ओपि उन्नति। श्री भगवान कहते हैं हे विष्णु पत्नीगण ब्राह्मणीगण, अब अपने गृह में जाकर के
So he said, go back to your house
अपने पति आदि की सेवा आदि करें।
and serve your husbands.
और मैं ही आपको बता, कोई आपको आपके ऊपर दोषारोप नहीं करे, दोषारोप नहीं करे।
That they won't.
जैसे मैंने कहा दिया, आप लोग की पति लोग कहेंगे बाप ने गुरुजन भाग जाते कहेंगे जहाँ से आते वहीं चले जाओ।
So like like I said earlier, that go back where you went. So here Bhagwan is saying the husbands.
मयो बेटो देवा ओपी अनुन्नति, ओपी अनुन्नति, क्योंकि मैं ही जो है उनके हृदय में
I myself
परमात्मा में बैठा
sit as Paramatma in their heart.
इसलिए आप लोग किसी
That's
प्रकार
why
से संशय न करें।
you don't have any doubt. You don't have any doubt. You don't.
यह तो भी भगवान कहने लगे टीकाकार कहते हैं, ये देखो भगवान इस प्रकार इस पर करें, आप लोग करके जाए, ये आपके पति
Your
अथवा
husband,
पुत्र आदि
whoever, your son, your
सभी आप लोग के देवतुल्य देवता के मध्य में पूजा करेंगे।
he will actually worship you like a demigod.
देखो आज भगवान का रे
The Bhagwan is saying that.
इसलिए कहना नहीं है पर लोकाश्च मयो मयो वेदो देवा ओपी अनुन्नति, ओपी अनुन्नति। जैसे लोग मुझे भगवान मान करके पूजा आदि करते हैं, उसी प्रकार आप लोग जब घर में लौट करके जाएंगे,
Okay. When you go back, go back to your husbands, and your husbands,
भातृगण गुरुजन जो भी हैं,
whoever your family members,
मतुल्य मेरे भांति आप लोग भी सम्मान करें।
they will also
यहाँ
respect
पर
you.
भगवान श्री कृष्ण यह देखा है, ये
That Bhagwan
ने
said
जो
to Krishna.
अनुरक्त जो होते हैं अनुरक्त हो जाते हैं, अथवा भगवान में जो संपूर्ण रूप से शरणागत हो जाते हैं,
If you totally surrender to Bhagwan, then Bhagwan arranges everything for you.
इसलिए डरने की कोई बात नहीं।
That's what no need to be afraid of anything.
इसलिए ये ब्राह्मणगण
Hey Brahminis,
आप लोग अपने आप अनिष्ट आशंका क्यों करें? ये आप की कोई अनिष्ट होगा नहीं, आप लोग की सभी कुशल ही होगा, मंगल होगा।
actually it will be auspicious when you go back. Everybody will accept you and it will be auspicious for you.
फिर मानो गोपियां कहने लगी,
Then the gopis
ये
will say,
आपके दर्शन आपके सन्निकट में हम रहना चाहते हैं।
we want to stay with you and
संसार में
take the
जाए,
darshan. If
फिर
we
हम
go back
संसार
to a
में
material world,
फंस जाइए।
and then again we'll be trapped.
हम स्त्री जाति होने
And
के
we are
नाते
ladies,
गृह लोक करके जाने पर
we are ladies.
फिर पुनः वही गृह कर्म में ही हम
And
लिप्त
then
हो जाएंगे।
and again we'll get trapped in ladies, in the household
जब
duties.
मंदिर में आते हैं मन
When you come to the
ठाकुर
mandir,
जी में लग जाते हैं,
and you
गृह
get
घर में
absorbed
लोग
in
करके जाते हैं,
Thakurji,
फिर मन
and then
गृह कर्म में
when you
लग
go
जाता है।
back to your house again, you start getting
इसलिए जब
absorbed with
भगवान
household
कहते हैं,
duties.
देखो
So
इस
Bhagwan is
विचार को
saying,
मैं आपको निरसन करता हूँ यदि ऐसे कहो
If you-
सर्वना दर्शनात्ताओ भी ममी भागो कीर्तना न तथा सन्निकर से न प्रतिजातो जतो गृहान हे ब्राह्मणगण
hey Brahmins, listen.
मेरे कथा श्रवण
You listen.
अथवा मेरे
If you-
विग्रह दर्शन
If you listen to my katha, if you take darshan of my vigrah, or if you chant my name, glorify the name,
असत्य हो जाता है
then you have ashakti,
वो किसी
attachment.
प्रकार गृह कर्म में
Even if you are in Kriya,
असत्य नहीं करता
then you won't have any attachment to the household
संसार
things.
की बंधन की कारण क्या बताता है?
Why? What is the bondage of this material world? Is attachment, ashakti.
वो अटैचमेंट जो है आसक्ति के आप कहाँ लगाओ?
Where will this ashakti? So the same attachment that you have in your material world, you instead you get attached to Bhagwan. So it's like two blades cannot stay in one one packet, like one cover of the sword. So then you cannot have both. Ashakti is ashakti, right? Attachment is attachment. When you have attachment with the material life, then there is a bondage. And then when you have that same attachment, instead of attaching it to material world, get attachment to Bhagwan.
जैसे हम रेशम के वस्त्र जो पहनते हैं
Like resam, silk. If you wear some silk cloth.
ये रेशम क्या है? कहाँ
What
से
is
मिलता है?
resam? Where did it come from?
इसके एक
Silkworm.
प्रकार जो है
It comes from the silkworm.
होता है और उससे एक कीड़ा जो है उसे
Kira, silkworm. From the silkworm cocoon, right? Silkworm.
कैसे बनाते हैं?
And they how
ना
it's
अपने
made
लार के द्वारा
from their own saliva.
पत्थर में बनाते हैं
And they make that
और बनाते बनाते वो क्या करते हैं उसके अंदर में घुस
and
जाते हैं और
they
अंदर
make
में
that
वो
something the
मुक्कर
saliva,
भी
it becomes like a
बंद कर देते हैं।
cocoon, and they
तो
they
किसका
hide
क्या करते
inside
हैं?
that cocoon.
वो छोटे 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 ऐसे से घुसरा जो होता है
And then this
और उसके साथ उठा करके गर्म पानी में उसके उबालते हैं
so how is silk produces when they get these cocoons, they boil it in the hot water, and then when they pull that thing, that's how the silk is made.
समझ में
You shouldn't wear silk.
वो जो कीड़ा जो है अपने लार के द्वारा
That insects with their own saliva, they keep on making that, like
दरवाजा बंद कर देते हैं
they keep on making, and then once they like a cocoon, and then they shut the door,
तो क्या उठा कर क्या करते हैं
and what they do, they
हल्के में
throw,
पानी में डाल देते हैं
they put this cocoon in the hot
पूरा क्या
water,
होता है? उबाल देते हैं।
and
पर उससे जो है
so this cocoon becomes like soft,
ये
and they make thread from that, and that is resin, so that is silk.
अपने बचने के लिए वो
So
कीड़ा जो है,
silk
अपने
is
बचने
made
के
from
लिए
silk
क्या करते हैं?
cocoons, so they don't,
और दूसरी जो है
they die.
मकड़ा जो है
The makra,
मकड़ा
spider,
जो आप
makra is spider.
देखोगे,
Even
वो
the
भी
spider,
अपने लार के द्वारा भी
the
जाल
spider makes that house with the lard,
बनाता है।
lard, the
जाल में
saliva,
कोई घूमता रहता है
and they are moving that
मच्छर आदि
way.
का कोई
And then in the center,
वहीं पर जाकर के
and they-
उसे पकड़ लेते हैं उसको खींचते हैं।
and then they stay in that spider web, and they kill other insects, like they go.
अपने मुख से लार के
From
द्वारा जाल बनाए
this spider web, spiders, they make this spider web with their own saliva, but they don't get trapped.
रश्मि के कीड़ा
But the rasmi insects, they made up their own cocoon, but then
ठीक उसी प्रकार
they are trapped.
संसार में जो
So similarly, in the jivas, in the sansar, in the material world, the jivas are staying,
किंतु
but
उसमें वो फंस जाते हैं
they get trapped in it. Like a rasmi, like a silkworm, they get trapped.
वो
And
क्या
then what
चीज़ है?
happens? Then they die. That is what ashakti, the bondage,
संसार में रहना कोई बुरी बात नहीं।
attachment.
माता पिता भाई बंधु स्त्री पुत्र परिवार के संग रहते हैं
Yes, you are living. That's nothing
उससे है
wrong.
एक चीज क्या है
You are living with your mother, father, and husband or
ये
wife.
आसक्ति का
But
आसक्ति क्या होता है हमें बंधन के
but
कारण बन
what
जाता
is this ashakti? Is the bondage you have. with
बोले
them.
आसक्ति से कैसे मारे, उसी आसक्ति की त्यागना नहीं है।
We don't have to leave that. The Shastra is not saying leave it, but instead of getting attachment with the material world, you use that for Thakurji. We are saying not to leave the attachment, but change that attachment to give that attachment to Bhagwan. Vikrasur Bhagwan prayed,
संसार चक्रे भ्रमत सर्वमोहि तन्मात असत चित्त सुरनाथ हुआ। हे भगवान, आपकी माया के अनुसार हम इस संसार में अपने माता पिता भाई
in this, because of your arrangement, I mean this material world, that we've got father, mother and parents, that you please have kripa on us, that we don't have attachment to them.
असक्त चित्त ननाथ हुआ। ठीक उसी प्रकार भगवान भी कहने लगे,
Then Bhagwan is saying,
दर्शन अर्थात मत विग्रह आदि दर्शन,
there is darshan of Vigraha.
मत गुण करना यदि मेरे गुण कथा जो है कान के द्वारा श्रवण,
So you listen to my katha, and with your eyes you have darshan of me, and with your mind you remember my swarup, and with your tongue you do kirtan. You keep on doing kirtan again and again of me.
मयि यथा भाव आसक्ति भवति सन्निकर्षेण संयुज्यते न भवति। किंतु कभी-कभी देखो निकट में रहने पर भी
sometimes we are living near. So one person is living near, it doesn't matter that actually somebody is away from somebody, then their ashakti is more. But if they are living next to together, then their attachment is less. For example, a wife who's get married, when she lives far away from her husband, for example, if her husband goes overseas, that time the wife actually she remembers her husband more. But then when that husband was living with her, then she was not thinking of him so much. When you are together, when you are far away, then you remember that person more. When you are together, then you don't think of that person so much. But when that person goes far away from you, then you remember him more. Isn't that true?
हमारी कथा को हमारी प्रेम वल्लभ प्रभु था।
अब प्रेम वल्लभ प्रभु ही was
अप्रकट हो गए, उसके ही बार-बार बोलते रहते, बात जो कि मन में चले जाते, वो कथा में उसके ही बार-बार
बोलते, like he said he was a Prabhu, like who, when the Vaishnavas used to leave this world, then he used to speak again and again about that Vaishnavas katha more. And when the Vaishnavas who are here, then he doesn't speak about that katha. So similarly, Bhagwan is saying, if you live near me, the attachment you have for me, there will be, if you are far away from me, then you'll have more attachment to me. When we are far away, when we remember, keep on thinking of a beloved more. When they are overseas or in another country, for example, you have a son and he's gone away in another country. You have two sons. One son is living with you, is working in the shop or whatever, in your business, he's serving you. He's whatever, he listens to you. He does whatever parents tell him to do. But they don't think about that son so much. But they think about more about the son that's gone overseas. Every day, they keep on thinking of wondering how my son is. 7 days gone, I haven't heard from it, I haven't had any messages, no letters come from him. But the son who is with them, who is actually doing everything, serving, but still they don't think of that son so much.
कृष्ण व्रत की छोड़ गई वो प्रेम सागर के कदम
Yes, when Krishna left the Vrindavan, that's what was, when Krishna said, when I was near, then Radha ji is then,
कृष्ण मधुसूदन मुझे
even like when Krishna was next to Radharani, and then Radharani is feeling, oh, Madhusudan has left. In the very separation, they are feeling that, oh, Krishna is with us. Like if they see a black cloud, then Radha ji used even to hug. I even see Tamal tree. She wants to hug a Tamal tree, and she's thinking, this is Krishna. Sometimes she's crying, sometimes she's laughing. So Krishna thought, if I leave Vrindavan and in this Divya Prasad, in the Darshan, in this deep mood of fire, a mood of separation, then that's why Krishna, what is the reason that Krishna left Vrindavan to go to Mathura? Why did he go to Mathura? That's a different katha. Here Bhagwan is saying, that when you're far away from me, that utkanta, this eagerness, that the more eagerness you have, that you will attain me. That yesterday I said these are three types of prem in Vrindavan. That Vivekshuna, Vishramha, third is Utkantamai. The gopis prem is Utkantamai. Utkantamai. So much eagerness. What is the symptom of this Utkantamai? It's like they're having darshan, not by words, not by hearing, sakshat, actually having darshan, not even in dreams. There are many different ways we can have darshan of Krishna. One is called Sapvik darshan, Tasmat darshan, Shravan darshan. By hearing you can have darshan of Krishna, or by Shravan darshan, by listening his glorification. Saptik darshan, in your dream you can have darshan. But what is gopis? Gopis are having darshan sakshat right in front of them. Utkantamai sakshat right in front of them, they are having darshan. Then Krishna said, if you are near me, the attachment you have, then where is that 100 times more attachment is in me when you are far away from me? The person who is very far away from you, then you have more attraction to that person. If you are away from, we are sitting here, but we are sitting down. So, but if you go up a little bit, then the gravity is like pulling you up. Gravity. Law of gravitation will pull you down. Law of gravitation. That will be on 90 degrees. 90 degrees it will pull you down, not like 45 degrees or 60 degrees, but it will be 90 degrees. And it will fall down like 90 degrees. The gravity will pull you down. The Newton's law of gravitation. So we'll
भगवान
the
इसी प्रकार कहते
Gatha,
हैं
Bhagavan is saying
मेरे प्रति जो आसक्ति है
the
मेरे
Ashakti you
सन्निकट
have,
में रहने जो आसक्ति जितना
that
होता है
attachment you
उससे
have for
अधिक
me
आसक्ति कहाँ होता है
when you are in front of me
उससे
or in my presence,
उससे चिंतन होता है उससे दर्शन
but that is 100 times more if you are far away from me.
इसी प्रकार स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
Then Bhagavan
वस्तु
Krishna,
तो ब्राह्मण पत्नी को अर्थात ये पत्नी के पुनः पुनः कहने लगे
and he told the
ये
Brahmini
आप लोग
ladies,
जब को भूमि में अर्थात अपने पतियों के साथ जाकर के पूर्णाहुति
you go and go back to your husbands and help them with the Purnahati.
इस कथा को सुन करके गोपियां ने क्या
What did the gopis do? Yes.
हे कृष्ण आपके चरण कमल है
Hey Krishna, your lotus feet,
लक्ष्मी आदि
even the Lakshmi,
समस्त जो है
Lakshmi,
देव देवियां
all the demigoddesses and the Devis,
प्रार्थना करते हैं
they are
आपके
praying
चरण कमल के धूलि
that they want to have, they are praying
और सब व्याकुल रहते
to
हैं
get
इसलिए आपके चरण कमल
to
छू करके
attain
हम कैसे चलें?
lotus feet. So they are also praying
लक्ष्मी देवी क्षमताओं
at your
की
lotus feet. So the Brahminis are saying that how can we leave you? The Lakshmi doesn't want to leave. Lakshmi is also praying Lakshmi Devi at the is and touching. Even she's left Vaikunt and she's come to Vrindavan and she's praying for your charan, your lotus feet. So how can we leave your lotus feet? See, they said even in Vaikuntha Narayan, Lakshmi Devi, the consort of Lord Narayan, she's left Vrindavan, Vaikuntha. And Vaikuntha is so opulent. And she's left Vaikuntha and have come to Yamuna by the bank of Yamuna. In Belwan, even till today, she's doing tapasya. She's doing austerities there.
कितने सुंदर कोमल शरीर लक्ष्मी देवी
Like Lakshmi Devi's body is so soft.
जो कि आलू माने लगते नहीं गरम नहीं लगते
The body is so soft
क्या कहा जाता है
that in the sun, like the sun's heat,
सूर्य की भी दर्शन नहीं करते
like ladies don't have darshan of Surya.
गर्मी के समय क्या है
In the hot weather, in the summer, ladies don't leave their house. But men have to go. Men go to their shops, but then in the hot summer, they have AC. Like I have been to Dubai and I saw in Dubai that
55
there is so hot. Like there 12 months this heat. I mean this summer, there's so much hot. The hot weather is throughout the year. What do they do there? It's so much hot, like 60, 50 plus, that even at night the temperature goes slowly down, but still it's really hot even at night. Like it goes down to 40. Everybody has got AC car. You cannot even leave your house in that house, in that country. The price of the water is more expensive there than the price of petrol. the petrol is 90 rupees per
उधर भी
liter.
पानी की उतना ही भाव है।
That is the price they have to pay for
और
the
हमारे पास
water
पानी के
there.
भाव, इधर जो पानी के भाव उधर वैसे ही होते हैं।
Yes, so here the water is cheaper and petrol is more expensive. But
पेट्रोल के
there,
भाव तो बस मस्त।
there the price of the water there is same as the
एक लीटर
price of
पानी
petrol
खरीदो।
here.
हैं? कम से 50-60 रुपए क्या बोले?
50 rupees.
इधर जो पेट्रोल के भाव नहीं लगेगा।
The price you pay for the petrol here, that's how much you would pay there for water.
लोगों की कैसे जीवन होता है?
That's the life.
समुद्र से बहुत दूर नल लगा करके फिर समुद्र के जल को जो है उसको
Refine करते, like you know, they have this, they purify this salty water into drinking water. There, Baris, there's no rain, dry desert. It's like a desert. It's like a desert.
इसलिए हम किसे कर देखो लक्ष्मी देवी कहाँ
Lakshmi Devi, who lives in the Vaikunth,
समस्त प्रकार ऐश्वर्य के द्वारा
she is surrounded with so much Aishwarya.
और सारे सुख को त्याग देकर
All this happiness, that she left all that happiness and she's come to Belwan in the hot, really hot weather, hot sun. She's doing tapasya, austerities. Why is she doing this tapasya? To get, she wants to become like a gopi and she wants to participate in the Ras dance. She's still not qualified to participate in the Ras dance. In the Brajasundari, the gopis who got this qualification to participate in the Ras dance, because they have so much prem, that love, that prem they have. You forget this, forget about the ladies in this material world. However many beautiful ladies there are here, even you go to Sarvagalok, even to heavenly planets, all the ladies who are living in the heavenly planets, all these beautiful, they are called beautiful ladies, they are Apsara. Their body emanates like they have a fragrance of a lotus flower emanating from their body. Their body, their skin, his body is so much effulgent. Even there, even they haven't even got this fortune to take part in Ras. Whose body is so beautiful. The fragrance that's emanating from the body is like a lotus flower. Even Lakshmi Devi is not qualified for that. Even Lakshmi has got that fortune. But the gopis have that fortune in gopis in Rasasthali and that prem that he gave with gopis, nobody is qualified for that. Here it says, when the Bhagwan is saying,
लक्ष्मी देवी के पास हाँ वो समस्त ब्राह्मणी गणकारी हैं ये लक्ष्मी देवी आपके चरण कमल की प्रार्थना
so the Brahmanis are saying the Lakshmi Devi is praying to get lotus feet. So why should we leave? Why should we go back to our household? Why should we leave you? So Brahmini said, even in Gita you said, the bhavana, in whichever mood they pray to me or do devotional service to me, then accordingly in that same proportion, in the same proportion, I
तो
love
यदि
them.
इस दृष्टि से आप करें,
If you are
हम लोग
saying,
तो- मानो ब्राह्मणी लोग तो आए हैं किस लिए?
Brahmile,
कृष्ण की सेवा करने के लिए।
why did we
और
come
कृष्ण
here
के
to
चरण में
serve
ही
you?
रहे।
That we want to stay at your
वो
lotus
तो उन्होंने
feet.
ऐसे दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञा करके घर से आई है। और
They have
ब्राह्मणी
come,
गण,
Brahmanis have come, live in their house.
ब्राह्मणी गण यह दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञा करके आई है, जहाँ कृष्ण के छोड़ करके जाएंगी नहीं।
They said, we will never leave you,
कुछ भी हो
Krishna,
जाए,
whatever happens.
हम कृष्ण के चरण कमल में जाएंगे।
We will always stay by the lotus feet of the Krishna.
और कृष्ण कह रहे नहीं, आप लोग घर में रहो।
Krishna is saying, no, no, you go back to your household.
इस प्रकार गोपियां वो ब्राह्मणी गण प्रार्थना करेंगे, किंतु कृष्ण क्या है कहने लगे,
What did Krishna say?
ये ब्राह्मणी गण
Hey, Brahmini,
आप लोग
ये-
उसी अवस्था में ही लौट करके जाएं।
still Krishna is saying, no, you go back.
क्यों भगवान यहाँ पर
Why?
कहना चाहते हैं?
Why is
देखो,
Bhagwan
यदि
saying
कहो
that?
कि हम लोग की तो देहाभिमान नहीं,
If you don't
कि
have
भगवान
abhiman,
कहते हैं क्या?
But-
मैं गोप जाति,
Bhagwan is saying, I'm Gop Jati, I'm a caste from Gop. You know, Gop means a cowherd.
भगवान में ये भी विचार है।
Ah.
कृष्ण कहते हैं मैं गोप
Krishna
जाति में
says,
आया।
I am
गोपी
from a
बिना
Gop
और
dynasty.
दूसरा नहीं करते।
Then I will only
यदि
accept
कहो
gopis,
इस प्रसंग से,
gopis, nobody
वो
else.
सब लोग ब्राह्मणी कह रहे थे, हम तो देहात्म बुद्धि नहीं
Brahmani,
रखते।
he said, we don't have
हम
this idea.
ब्राह्मणी है,
We are
कि
Brahminis,
सुत्राणी है,
we are Sudrani,
कि
or
क्षत्राणी है,
Chatraini, like the different caste,
वैसे कुछ हम
or
तो ये अभिमान नहीं
Vishai.
करते।
But we don't see that.
हमारे अभिमान सब हम त्याग दे दिया, अभिमान पर
Abhiman, we have
त्याग
given
कर
up our Abhiman, our ego.
अभिमान को त्याग दिया।
We've left our Abhiman.
हम तो अभिमान त्याग दे दिए,
Mm.
किंतु तथापि यहाँ
But
पर
still,
ये विशेष कथा है।
The Katha is saying
देखो ये देह जब तक हम रखते हैं,
that Deha,
लोक रीति को हमको मानना पड़ता है।
because of the community, we have to keep, with the society. That I can say, okay, I'm not as a wife, I'm not a wife, or I'm not a man or a woman. So why can't a lady stay in the mud? Because you also keep us. Why can't we stay in the mud? Why don't we? Why are ladies not allowed to stay in the mud? But said, hey Gurudev, we've also left our Abhiman. Like I'm not a lady or I'm not a man. I'm a Atma. Yes. So why should we not get to stay in the mud? So somebody will say that as well. Then what will Gurudev say? So Gurudev said, okay, come, you can come, but you can massage my feet. But that is against the society. As long as we have got this body, we are living in this body, we have to follow the society's law. Otherwise, the Samaj, the society will be very against us. So somebody who is a Uttama Bhagavad, there is no fault of him. But everybody will follow what he does. So then they'll say, oh, okay, a lady was massaging my Gurudev's feet, so also another lady can massage my feet. So then the society's law is, yes, it will not, the society will look at it very badly. But the Samaj, the community, the society will be destroyed. The Samaj will be destroyed because there will be no laws and rules. That the Samaj will be destroyed. बिल्कुल सत. You say my Gurudev even my Guru is Mahabhagavat, but then what my Gurudev was doing also I do the same thing. That becomes aparadh. Like we say, and then some ashram it becomes like that. That's why I said, no, you cannot do that. You have to follow the rules and regulations. Even if you are Uttam Bhagavat, you have to follow the society's law. And you shouldn't do archan of that.
वो केवल जैसे नित्यानंद के लिए कहा गया।
That's like, okay, Nityanand Prabhu, Advait, Avdat. Nityanand Prabhu is Avdat.
नित्यानंद अवध भगवत सब आज ये भी शिवत्व नहीं प्राप्त करके
Even
नहीं
Shiva.
अपने शिवत्व मान करके शिव जी जैसे
Even Shivji,
महा उत्तम महा
he is a Maha Uttam Bhagavad.
निर्माता होकर के अपने पति पार्वती के गोद में रख
And then he
करके
was had a Parvati on his lap.
किंतु कहीं यदि और कोई यदि करे ऐसे मैं भी शिव जी की बात ही करूं तो समाज के लिए दोषी हो जाएगा। शिव जी विस्फोट कर लिया तो विस्फोट करके दिखाओ।
It's like Shivji also drank the poison. So can we also drink the poison?
करना पड़ता है नियम तो उल्लंघन।
Bacteria.
किंतु लोग किसी से लोग कटाक्ष हो जाते हैं, लोग आपको आंख उठाएंगे। मैं समझता हूँ कि आपकी कोई आसक्ति नहीं है।
So if you don't have Ashakti,
किंतु लोक दृष्टि
battery is 2% there. Oh, you don't have that.
उसी प्रकार यहाँ पर भी कार्य
Didn't you buy one? Oh, so
ब्राह्मणी इस प्रकार
if the Brahmanis are saying,
हे गोविंद
hey Govinda,
आपकी चरण श्रवण प्राप्ति करने के लक्ष्मी आदि भी तो
even the Lakshmi who wants to attain your lotus feet, they are doing tapasya in Vrindavan. So I will also, we will also stay with you.
भगवान करते हैं।
Then the Bhagwan is saying, no, hey Brahminis,
मेरे
you
उपदेश के जो है
you have to follow my instruction
पालन कर।
and follow my instruction.
इस प्रकार गोविंद अनेक उपदेशों के द्वारा
We'll finish soon, na? The katha will finish.
उनके कविता
Let it
अंत में आप लोग
continue.
भी
It's still
इस तरह की होने के
2%.
बाद ये प्राप्त करोगे।
You will, you will still attain me.
इस प्रकार कहने पर वो समस्त ब्राह्मणीगण
The Brahmanis,
लौट करके गए। किंतु एक आश्चर्य की बात हुई,
this,
वह ब्राह्मणीगण
the
जब
Brahmani,
कृष्ण से लौट करके जब
when the Brahmins,
शरीर में पहुंचे,
when they left and they got their yagna place,
यानी ब्राह्मण
where
अपने पत्नी की
then these Brahmins,
प्रतापत में वापस आने के लिए
when their ladies came, and they were very, yes, they were waiting for the ladies, for their wives to come.
उत्पत्ति लोग उनके बाधा दिया था।
There were some ladies, but after, before they had restriction for them to go, but when they returned back, after, and that patis, they were actually, the husbands were waiting for them.
और अपेक्षा करके जब वो लोग आए
So when the ladies came back,
दुर्गाहत्या के बाद और अपने पत्नी को जो है अपन प्रशंसा करते
and they started to praise their wives.
ये देखो आप लोग के जीवन जो है
said, your life-
देख जन्म न स्त्रिय तत् देकं व्रतं देक उदावं देकं कूलं क्रियात्म विमुखाभू अदुष्खजे वह ब्राह्मण का जाति पत्नी का
The Brahmins are saying
इस श्लोक के सभी
this श्लोक.
ठीक जन्म न त्रिविध जत दिग व्रतम धिक बहुता ज्ञान धिक कुलम धिक क्रियारक्ष विमुखा धिक अधोष्पजी वह ब्राह्मणगण क्या करने लगे
The Brahmin,
हम लोग के जीवन में
the Brahmins are saying that
कायम हम लोग के जीवन बेकार है
our life is wasted,
हम लोग
useless.
ब्राह्मण में जन्म लिया
Even though we've
गायत्री
taken,
मंत्र आदि भी जप करते हैं सावित्री मंत्र गायत्री मंत्र
even though we have been taken birth in a Brahmin family, and we are also doing Brahmin Gayatri mantra, and the ladies don't get Brahma Gayatri mantra.
उनके जो है
They
पुरोहित नहीं है
they cannot wear the sacred thread.
ब्राह्मण की स्त्री कदर
The Brahmin,
कितना जन्म होता है
how many
जन्म
jannam?
और शास्त्र में कहा गया है द्विजन्म के बाद फिर तृतीय जन्म होता है पहले कहा गया क्या?
Three lives we are Brahmins. So
सावित्री जन्म
Savitri Brahman, and the third birth is Dakshin
तृतीय
Brahman.
जन्म कहा जाता है
There's three
ब्राह्मण की
three
कितना जन्म
births.
होता है?
3 births.
पहले क्या जन्म होता है? शोक जन्म होता है।
So
जैसे माता
Brahman,
पिता के यहाँ
that like you are born from your mother and
सभी
father,
जीवों के संसार में जन्म
you know,
होता
like
है।
how material life,
शोक जन्म।
even that's so
सभी
Brahman.
स्त्री हो, पुरुष हो, सभी। इसके बाद
And then after
सावित्री जन्म,
Savitri
सावित्री
Janam,
जन्म क्या?
birth,
उनकी जो गायत्री मंत्र आती
when
है,
they get Gayatri Mantra, like first you get your normal birth, you know, from your parents, and then the second birth you get
ब्राह्मण,
Brahman, Kshatriya or Vaishya. All those three, they get that thread sacred ceremony.
ब्राह्मण के जो है 5 से
If a Brahmin starts at between the age of 5 and 8,
जन्म संस्कार
they get a sacred thread.
क्षेत्र में 12 साल
In
की उम्र,
Kshatriya is more 12 years, and Vaishya is 16 years.
किंतु शूद्रों के लिए नहीं करते।
And Sudras, no, Sudras cannot do Brahmins.
तो यहाँ पर ब्राह्मण की भी क्या क्या
Even the Brahmins,
जाता है?
they told Brahmins, Savitri Janam means the second birth.
किंतु
The
ब्राह्मण
second birth. But Brahminis don't have that.
इस लोग ये कहते हैं, देखो इन लोग के जो है
So the Brahmins are saying they haven't got Savitri Janam.
शुक्रम सावित्रम दक्षम इति द्विगुणम इति। हम लोग जो है
We've got 3 Janam. The Brahmins.
ब्राह्मण तो सुनने के नहीं,
हाँ,
कौन कह रहे हैं?
Brahmin. But
ब्राह्मण बन कह रहे हैं।
the Brahmins are saying
ब्राह्मणी गण लूट करके गए।
when the Brahminis, the wives, return back to them,
अपने आप को
the Brahmins,
निकाल दे रहे हैं।
they were like,
हमारी
they
पत्नियां जो है
were feeling regret about themselves. Look at our wives, that they were so fortunate that they got darshan of Bhagwan. Even we got 3 Janam, even still,
भगवान श्री विष्णु के हम प्राप्त नहीं।
we still haven't been able to attain Lord Vishnu. But look at our wives. Ek,
ब्राह्मण के कितने जन्म हुए?
1.
रमेश बताओ।
Ek you.
2 जन्म।
2.
एक होते शुक्र जन्म में
Sorry, 2 Janam, because one is Diksha. When one is birth from your parents, and then you get Diksha like a Gopal mantra in Diksha. So that is your second birth.
ब्रह्म गायत्री नहीं किया जाता।
But
पर
Gopal.
भी लिखते हैं।
Okay, ladies don't get Brahma Gayatri mantra, but they get Gopal mantra and other Diksha
ये
mantras.
ब्राह्मण का यही तो कार्य है। इसी श्लोक में जो है कहते हैं स्त्रियों के क्यों ब्रह्म गायत्री नहीं दिया जाता?
Why the ladies don't get Brahma Gayatri mantra? So many devotees ask this question. The ladies are saying, they raise their hand. And the ladies are saying, why are you discriminating us? Brahmacharis, you give Brahma Gayatri mantra, and you give them a sacred thread. So why didn't you give it to us? So these ladies would raise this question. No. Even in the Bhagavad it says that, even in Bhagavad saying that ladies cannot get Brahma Gayatri. Men only get Savitri Janam. That is when you get your sacred thread.
क्रिया दाक्ष विमुखता अदुष्कर ये लोग तो भगवान भी नहीं भगवान ये लोग जो है ये नहीं हुआ।
So the ladies don't get that. They don't have Savitri Janam because they don't get Brahma Gayatri mantra.
ये लोग भगवान श्री कृष्ण के कैसे प्राप्त करें अदुष्कर भगवान।
So how did they even got this darshan of Bhagwan Krishna? My Gurudev Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to condemn this. He used to say. Then he said, well, then that he used to. Then, if the ladies chant Brahma Gayatri mantra, nowadays everyone is chanting. Yes. Or is it, oh, Gurudev didn't give it to me, so what? So what? Doesn't mean that I'm not going to. It doesn't matter, but I will still chant Brahma Gayatri mantra. You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
ब्राह्मण लोग, तुम ब्राह्मण ही तो पुत्र प्रसव करते हैं, ब्राह्मण भी पुत्र प्रसव करे? हैं?
Sorry, Brahmin.
ब्राह्मण स्त्रियां तो गर्भवती होती है।
Like a Brahmini, like we can give a birth of son. You can give birth to a child. Women can give birth. So what? Brahmins can also give birth? No.
उल्टा सीधा सब करते रहते हैं।
Transplantation, like not transplantation.
स्त्री को पुरुष बना देते हैं।
Like they can nowadays, they can make a woman a man and a man a
आप 10
woman.
साल
That
पुरुष
10,
रहो और
that
10
10,
स्त्री।
that 10 years you say is a man and at 10 years you can say woman. So here Maharaj is saying that a woman is the only one who can get pregnant and can give birth, but a man cannot. So like Sri, then when Devti say Parvati said that daytime is man and nighttime is daytime is lady and nighttime is man. That Raja, this Raja, this one king, he went hunting on his horse. Wherever the place where he went, that Shiv Parvati used to stay there. The Shiv Parvati was having a stan, so she was having a bath, and so this Raja went there. So when the lady is having bath, a man should never even look. This bad men, they look at women when they're having shop, because that is aparadh. That comes in the newspapers. In Dharmasala, the big they give a place of Snanjal, there's so bad people here. In the TV they show that camera. When the ladies are having bath, they have a snan, and then they have cameras. So this is very bad. You have to get CCTV. You can put CCTV everywhere, but you cannot go in the bathroom and put CCTV. Also not changing room, also there is no CCTV. That's why the terrorists. Like the terrorist is talking about, like they wear those ladies' clothes, and then that's how they go to the ladies' toilet. This society is against this. No. This Raja's name is?
गूगल पे देख रहे हैं, गूगल पे देख के तो पता है।
नहीं, भागवत में वो राजा की कथा है, तो उनके हिसाब देते थे किसमें
they don't know the names of the king. They gave a curse. Whoever comes will become a wife. So then Raja prayed to Parvati. So daytime he is a Purush and nighttime a lady. This is Bhagavad Gita. I was just remembering the name of the king, now I've forgotten.
इसलिए हम लोग कहते हैं क्योंकि नियम की कोई विधि को जो दिया,
so like the phrase, if this by force these ladies chant this Brahma Gayatri, then what will happen to them? They will have man mood, like man vow, like the man nature. The nature will become like man. There is Shakti, there is power in the mantra. There is potency in the mantra, but
ये उस समय ऋषि लोग स्त्रियों के क्यों नहीं दिया गया, अधिकार क्यों नहीं दिया?
Why didn't give this adhikar to ladies?
विचार देते हैं,
Because they're saying because
देखो ये ब्रह्मसूत्र गायत्री जो दिया था इसके
whoever got the Brahma, what is the purpose of giving this to man? The Brahma Gayatri is the main purpose is so they can do yagna. They can perform yagna. The main reason is that they can do yagna. They can do fire sacrifice. That's why, like touching the sacred thread, they swaha. With the sacred thought, they can touch the sacred thread and do swaha. That's why the Brahmins can do it. So one person, one will say, argue and say, so why can't ladies do also fire sacrifice?
शांति आती थी हमारे पास में यहाँ पे उसको दिया था जन्म
कोई संस्था
बयान दिया
राम शर्मा ने श्री राम शर्मा ने स्त्रियों को भी जन्म कराया
So this is some other sampradaya is given it to ladies because that sacred thread is so pavitra, so pure that it has to be, because ladies are not always pure all the month, It's the dharma of the ladies. It's like because according to the female body, for 5 days they are not pure in the month. Yes, so the Shastra says that the ladies say that no, you have to follow the when ladies can say that while I'm not impure, when I'm impure, then I will not wear this thread. But no. When Guru says you have to continuously wear that thread, you cannot take out. And then if that becomes impure, then you have to do it again, do yagna, and then have a new thread. So that's how much the respect is. If you go to bathroom, then you have to put it in your kan, because it's very sacred, very holy, very pure. So he said, for example, let's say somebody who is new, but so if you forget, like if you've not done it purposely, then it's different. So this is my Gurudev used to give this look. Why that ladies didn't get Brahma Gayatri thread? How do you share?